Now, remember, we are picking up more details of how minutes after Trump warned of ceasefire, assuring that Israel will not strike. We are getting details of how explosions have been heard in Iran's capital city of Tehran. Reports coming in of how there have been two loud explosions that were heard in Tehran, which means that Israel has not held back, or was this really an operation that was in action and there would be no counter-strike from here on? Will Iran retaliate is the big question, but Donald Trump making it very clear that both sides must hold back. He has assured, as far as Israel is concerned, that they will not strike. However, details coming in of explosions that were heard in Iran's capital city, Tehran, where we are now getting reports of two loud explosions that were heard in Tehran. Shivani, I want to come back to you. How is one to deduce these details? Because Israel had primarily said that while they've cancelled plans to hit multiple targets and instead struck only one. Is this that particular one, or are the strikes very much on?
Trisha, you are actually at the right point. I think that when these talks were going on and Prime Minister Netanyahu was being told by Donald Trump to hold back, there was some action already that was taking place on ground, because since morning we've been getting those developments, those strong statements from Israel, where it has been claiming that it will punish Iran for the strikes it has brought to its civilians in the morning. So the explosions that are being heard in Tehran are possibly the explosions which were already into action in the skies. The pilots were already operating. They wanted to give a strong message to Iran that you cannot sit quietly and you cannot just go away by just striking to our civilians, and we have to give some response. So this is the response which probably has been brought now by Israel onto Iran, and there might be a stop in this action after Trump's deliberations. So we have to wait. But yes, certainly what the inputs that are showing are that there can be some action that has already taken place from Israel's side on Iran after it chose to strike on these different cities across Israel. Because I was telling you that I was hearing a lot of fighter jets in the skies of Israel. That means the action was already in place. The pilots were already on into the operations. The instructions were already passed. And since these developments are changing each minute, they are developing, the situation is developing very quickly, Suesha. So we can see some change in the attitude and the operations of Israel from now on, because there is a message that has once again come from Donald Trump that who claims that Israel is not going to bomb any more targets inside Iran. But what has happened can be an action that was already in place when the talks were already on.
All right, Shivani, many thanks for getting us those details. So priority, of course, at this time is the fact that both sides must hold back.